I prepared my simple brief talk and allow me to read it for you. Greetings to my fellow Mindanaoan media women, men and women, and of course their family and guests. Yours truly, before I do that, I find it really difficult to talk after a wise man like Dr. Yap, Attorney Yap, ang susundan kong magsalita. Napakahirap. But anyway, I'll try my very best to do justice to your invitation. Yours truly is 89 years old. I am the oldest living and active advocate of federalism in the country. Up to now, I am still pushing for the adoption of a federal system, Philippine-style federal system in the country. I strongly believe that Mindanao, with its enormous natural resources, cannot progress more as fast as it could because of the Manila imperialism mindset of mostly of our national leaders. Take note of that. Leaders should be visionary. I must admit that I appreciate President Marcos Jr.'s vision of Bagong Pilipinas. Sad to note, it seems that he is not aware that to achieve his vision demands mga bagong Pilipino and bagong Konstitusyon Federal. Thus, I decided to write this booklet titled The Real State of Our Nation, which is being launched now with the help of Adam and June. Please seriously study the book for the sake of our people and nation, and help me convince this administration to do what it must do to lift up our country again. Before we are second to Japan, development-wise. Ngayon, second pa rin tayo, pero sa ubos, naunahan na tayo ng Vietnam. What has happened to us? What should we do? This pamphlet is your mission. This pamphlet is our destiny. Now you may ask, sino man si Chito Gabino? Anong experience niya? Mamaya, nagbigay din kami ng isang libro na isinulat ko habang may buhay pa ako. This is about sparks of life. Makikita ninyo ang competency ko. Pag nabasa ninyo ito, I'm competent enough to write such a book as what will be giving you this afternoon. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.